friends, now we are introduced to you about our customer bread bags and oil-proof bags. And for the bread bags, we have the white craft paper and the brown craft paper with the full printing outside. And also for the oil-proof paper, you can find we also have many different sizes and the different material. For this one is the white oil-proof paper, and this one is white craft oil-proof paper, and this one is the brown oil-proof paper. And also we can accept customize the with window and the without the window for different folder you use it. And for this one is the oil-proof paper too. And this one is the aluminum foil paper inside. And for some customer asked how to measure the size. We'll also show you about this. For this one, you can measure the height like this, and the width, and the side width. Also, for the customized paper bag, we need all three sizes to calculate the cost. So, for more details, please contact our sales manager. Thank you.